Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to see your comment reply on YouTube. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your phone or go to youtube.com on your web browser. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Now tap on Google Account. This will take you to your account settings. Step 4. Next, go to the Data and Privacy section. Step 5, scroll down until you find YouTube History and tap on it. Step 6, here you'll see an option called Manage History. Tap on it to access your activity. Step 7, now at the top right, tap on Interactions. Step 8, select Comments and Replies. This will show all the comments you've made and any replies to them. Step 9, tap on any comment and it will open the video where you can see the replies. Step 10, once you're done, go back to the home screen. Step 11, now tap on the bell icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find all your notifications. Step 12, look for any notifications about replies to your comments. Step 13, if you see a reply notification, tap on it, and it will directly open the video with the reply highlighted. That's it. Now you know how to check for replies to your comments on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.